Today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a personal right that you have, and it's you have the right to change your mind. So, we all have the right to change our mind, but that does not mean that we can be double-minded. But life comes at us kind of fast, and life experience teaches us things. As we live our life, we learn things, we experience things, and what we believe may change. And if you want to change your mind about things that you said would be and should be, then you have the right to do that, because you're going to learn things and you're going to get to a place where you need to change your mind. So if you need to change your mind about something, you have the right to do that. So let me ask you a question. What do you need to change your mind about today? Hey, thank you. I hope this video helped you. God bless.